What's up, guys? Welcome back. Right now I'm sitting in my car waiting for Jake to show up because we were supposed to leave around 10:15 and it's 10:47, so I'm waiting on Jake right now, and we're going to New England Expo. And if you don't know what New England Expo is, it's kind of like ICAST. You know, all the fishing inventions, all these new ideas come, and there's so many cool things to do at it. I've never been to it, but I've just heard, seen pictures, read reviews on it, and apparently it's pretty cool. I'm waiting on Jake. I've been sitting in my car for a little while because he wanted avocado toast. Avocado toast. But yeah, we're just waiting on Jake, and I hope you guys enjoy today's episode because I am amped. All right, we just got here, and it's a long line. And it's just, wow. There's so many people waiting in line right now, it's insane. And it's 12 bucks to get in, and I only have 11 bucks. So let's see how this goes.
I'm excited. That's gonna be a long wait though.
Big facts. Hey, damn. That's so nice.
I want to see what
There is so much going on. Deadly. Oh, hey, bud. Hi. Oh, what's up? Hi. Do you like to fish? Hi. Hi. Oh, there's archery right there. There's just so much going on that it's just really hard. I couldn't even walk in there. Like, it was impossible. Wow, what even, is this a hotel?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this is, this is kind of sick. Oh, look at this. This is so sick. It's like a miniature boat. That's insane.
show up one time. Yeah.
Damn, that's
But you're in the member.
Do you hand paint these?
I do.
Wow, these are insane.
Thanks.
This little trout pond. Jake has been found.
Yeah, you walked
Oh, can you try to film for me while I try to catch a trout?
Yes,
Okay.
I can try and film for you.
Okay.
They're so little.
They're really cute though. This is so sick. Look at all that trout. All those little trout just chilling.
Oh, we got the big one.
You got the big one.
Hold that. That's the big one.
Nice job, man.
Johnny, how do you feel about that?
Got one. Yes.
Let me handle the fish. Just grab the hook and then flip it. You don't need to handle the fish.
Okay.
That one's a rainbow.
Rainbow trout.
That one's got.
There we go. Thank you. We got a trout, boys. Jake, how you doing with the trout?
They keep like going after it, but they just move away.
Attaboy, Jake.
Down here.
There you go. Nice.
This is pretty cool.
I'm trying for the orange one.
Yeah, you gotta get the jalapeno.
I'm trying, man.
Daddy!
Got one. Jake, look.
These, I think he's coming. I would help you, but I'm all the way across the pond.
Want me to hold the camera?
Yeah, hold the camera. Sorry. You're the cameraman. Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube. That was an accident. That trout pond was really cool though. Like, it was really fun, but that took a while. Trout pond, check. That was the #1 thing I was really excited about. Like, really excited. Yes, we found the Shimano, bro. So nice. Look at these swim baits. That one's clean, I like that. That's sick. Look at that one, that's so cool. Look how big that is. That's probably the biggest topwater frog I've ever seen. And then these rats right here, that's so sick.
Yep.
You got 16 bucks. Look at this massive rat. Look at this one.
I have 2 of those.
Did you pay that much money for them?
What is it?
That's fly.
Yeah, they're like 40 bucks. Actually, that's
Oh my god, no, this one's so sick. Look at that.
tiny.
Yeah, they are really tiny. Dude, I've never seen, this is a normal topwater frog. I mean, this is, alright, normal topwater frog. Look at that. Insane.
Yeah.
St. Croix? Oh my god. Wow. Dude.
You know what?
There's so many. Oh, look at the buzz baits. There's buzz baits.
Have you seen him?
These are some of the best looking spinnerbaits I've seen in a while. Look at those. Look at this gold one. That is insane. I like this one right here. That purple. Dude, look at the size of this blade. Like, this is a massive blade.
Yo, chatterbait.
Dude.
What?
Z-Man, keep up, bro. Look at this. Some of the biggest blades I've ever seen. Wow. 20 bucks for one.
That's like big bass.
That's like you're hunting for giants over here. Oh, these are their jigs. Oh, that's kind of cool. I know a lot of people that rig their jigs like that. That's pretty sweet. Wow. Dude, look at this one. That's bigger than my whole entire hand. That's insane. Oh my god. These are some nice jigs too. Wow. Wow.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Look, look.
That's wild. What is that?
That is a swim jig. It's weedless.
Swim jig?
That's,
It's lipped, so it's got a little bit of a crankbait action on the head.
Dude.
that's so cool. That is so cool. Hey, bud. There's not many striper stuff here. This is mostly like freshwater. I was expecting a lot of striper and saltwater stuff because New England's really mostly about saltwater, but
Like, I want to buy one so bad, but I don't want to spend the money.
I know. I can't believe I haven't spent any money yet. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. That is so clean.
Oh, it's built up.
Damn. So crazy. This makes my boat look like a garbage can. I mean, my boat is pretty nice, but wow. Oh, and I love both sides of the cup holder right here. That's so sick. Oh my god, look at the catfish. We were just at Bass Pro. So we just saw that stuff. Look at that catfish. That's a perch, but that's like a really pale perch.
Yeah, they're probably scared shitless. Like, what the fuck is going on?
This is so cool. They're so pale and beat up. These are not good looking bass. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. They're not looking too hot.
No.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was kind of cool. We met some cool people. Saw some really cool baits as well. Jake and I had a lot of fun. Caught some trout, so it was pretty cool. As I was saying, so it was pretty cool. We had a fun time, but now Jake and I have to drive home. It's like an hour and 10 minutes, and we're going to a hockey game tonight. And then tomorrow morning, we're waking up bright and early, going to Maine. So stay tuned for some Maine vids with this kid right here. That's really annoying. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed, and you got to see Jake catch a big trout, me catch a trout. So it was kind of a fishing video.
A little bit.
In a way.